Chop half onions. Or 1 small onion. Chop 2 cloves of garlic. Spinach. Cut spinach. Which was already soaked, washed in water. Cut potato. 2 potatoes. 2 small potatoes. Cut into about 1-inch size pieces. After cutting potatoes, remember to put it in water, otherwise it will become black. It will oxidize and turn into black, which may not be good for the body. Place a medium-sized saucepan on the stove. Add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, and when the oil is boiling, add chopped garlic and chopped onion. Stir well so that the ingredients do not get stick into the saucepan. Add chili powder about 1 teaspoon. Add turmeric powder about 1.5 teaspoons. Stir. Now add cut spinach and stir. Add a pinch of salt or as sufficient for your taste. Cook at medium flame. Add cut potatoes and stir. Adjust a small flame and keep the saucepan covered. Cook for 10 minutes. That's how it's getting cooked. That's the finished dish. Potato with spinach curry. Enjoy. Thank you for watching.